Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football post-game show. The Rams beat the Bears. The LA Rams beat the Chicago Bears 17-7 at LA Memorial Coliseum in Los Angeles, California tonight. Very low-scoring game tonight. The Bears jumped out, scored the first touchdown. The Rams scored the first touchdown. In the second quarter. It was 7-0, and then they kicked a field goal, and it was 10-0. And Chicago tried to score, and they kicked a field goal, but it was missed. And they just weren't able to score in the second quarter. It was 10-0 at the break. And then the Bears scored their first touchdown in the third quarter, and the extra point thereafter was good, and it was 10-7. And the Rams weren't able to score in the third quarter, and it was 10-7 going into the fourth quarter, and the Rams scored one more touchdown to make it 17-7, and the Bears tried to score in the final 2 minutes, but they were not able to do it, and the Rams kept them from scoring, and nevertheless, the Rams get the win 17-7. They go to 6-4, and the Bears go to I think also go to 6-4, I believe. So, excuse me. This is one of those games where I think the home team had it just in hand from the get-go and never let up, and they just kept the other team from scoring, and the Bears just deflected. The Rams just deflected from the Bears and had the Bears' number all night in this game, and Mitch Trubisky just could not make the plays he wanted to make. He was just having one of those nights where he just could not make the plays that he wanted to make. So you got to give credit to where credit is due, and I have to give credit to the Rams. I have to give it to them. I got to tip my hat to them. They really played well, even though it was a low-scoring game. So, but right now, it's going to be time to give out some game balls. Jared Goff, 11 of 18 carries and attempts, 173 yards and 1 touchdown. Todd Gurley, 25 carries, 97 yards, 1 touchdown. Actually, Jared Goff did not have a touchdown. He had 1 interception, excuse me. And Malcolm Brown, 5 carries, 15 yards, and 1 touchdown. So those are the 3 guys that got the game balls tonight. Now, tomorrow we have a great matchup for you. The Kansas City Chiefs and the LA Chargers from Estadio Azteca Field in Mexico City tomorrow night. So that should be a great matchup. And right now, I am 10-3 on my picks. My brother-in-law is 12-1, so my brother-in-law by far has won the picks this week. So, and but that should be a great matchup tomorrow night, and I'll break all that down in my pregame show tomorrow night and postgame show after the game is concluded. Boy, there's a lot of surprising final scores this week, and there weren't as many upsets, though, this week in Week 11 of the NFL. So, I just got to tell you, excuse me, but the Rams just had this one tonight. It was the Rams' night, and they got the win in this one. So the Bears will have to regroup and find a way to bounce back next week. So. And that's just really that's the bottom line right there. They're going to have to bounce back next week from this loss and look at their mistakes and fix them and really study their next opponent. So, because this is one of those nights where the Bears just did not have it and could not get the job done. So, but nevertheless, the Rams beat the Bears 17-7 tonight. Well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football postgame show. I'll be back tomorrow with the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football pregame show. And before the Chiefs and Chargers game, and then the postgame show once the Chiefs and Chargers game is concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day, in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1. I'm done.